Find daily challenge in Subway Surfer. In this quick video, I will show you how to find and complete the daily challenge in Subway Surfer. Let's get started. Open your Subway Surfer application. The daily challenges is now known as the World Hunt. Here is how to find it. From the main menu, you have to tap onto the event button. It looks like a calendar or a gift box. Or you can look for the mission section. It displays the word you need to complete for the day. You just have to tap on it. Select mission. Here you can see various missions you need to complete for the day. Start a run and keep an eye out for a floating letters or a track. These letters spells out the daily word. For example, if the word is Easter, you will need to collect the letter EASTE and R during the run. This letter appears in order, so stay alert. Once you have collected all the letters, the game will now notify you that you have completed the World Hunt. You will receive a reward which could be coins, keys or other in-game items. And that's it. You have successfully completed the daily challenges in Subway Surfer on your iPhone. Keep playing daily to earn more rewards.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have question or suggestion for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.